Let's do the following questions. A, we're simplifying A, the first one. So 81 over 16. We can write 81 as a product of its prime factors and 16 as a product of its prime factors. So it's going to be 81. 81 is 3 to the power 4. And then 16 is 2 to the power 4. Right? And then all this to the power 1 over 4. So we are distributing the exponent 1 over 4. So it becomes what? 3 to the power 4 times 1 over 4 over 2 to the power 4 times 1 over 4. Right? Then 4 times 1 over 4 is like 1, because 4 divided by 4 is 1. Then here, 4 times 1 over 4 is 1, because 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we are remaining with 3 over 2. B, we have negative 12x cubed over 15 y to the power 1 over 2, all this to the power 2. So we're raising each factor in the numerator by 2, and also raising each factor in the denominator by 2. So it becomes negative 12 to the power 2, then x cubed to the power 2 over 15 to the power 2, and then y to the power 1 over 2 to the power 2. Right, negative 12 squared, that is 144. Then here we're raising a power to a power, so we multiply the exponents. It becomes x to the power 6 over 15 squared, that is 225. And then here we're raising a power to a power, 1 over 2 times 2, that is 1. So we just remain with y. That's the answer there. And then C, we can write this as a fraction, as a common fraction. So it becomes 1 over 100, then x to the power 4, y to the power 8. All this to the power 1 over 2. And then 1 over 100 is like 1 over 10 squared. X to the power 4, y to the power 8, all this to the power 1 over 2. Right, I wrote 100 as 10 squared because I know that 2 times 1 over 2 will give us 1. Right? So, and then this can be written like this. X to the power 4, y to the power 8 over 10 squared. And then to the power 1 over 2. And then we distribute 1 over 2 to each factor in the numerator. Then distribute 1 over 2 to the denominator. So it becomes x to the power 4 to the power half. Then y to the power 8 to the power half over 10 squared to the power half. Right, we're distributing this exponent. Then what we get? We get x to the power 4 times 1 over 2. Some of these steps you can skip. I'm doing this because I'm explaining, so some of these things you can just skip them. Right? And then y to the power 8 times 1 over 2. And then 10 to the power 2 times 1 over 2. So it becomes 4 times 1 over 2, that is 2, so that is x squared. And then y, 8 to the power 1 over 2, that is 4, over 2 times 1 over 2, that is 1, so we have 10 to the power 1, which is 10. So this is the final answer.